So we're down in Sharpness, next to the hulks, like concrete boats that got washed up on the River Severn, World War II, I think. Pretty impressive. Hope you guys like it. I told Aggie to watch out for trapdoor spiders. They like hide under the ground and like they have like a cover over them, and then like it pops open and they jump out and grab you, like stick on your face and stuff. So I told her to watch out for those because they're everywhere around here. I just realised I've left my camera up there. It's pretty much too high just to graceful, like a ninja. Yeah, you don't want to fall through there. This is pretty precarious, but we like it. Look at the view! What a lovely view! Running away from velociraptors. I think the velociraptors got Aggie. Ah well, sunset. Walking along the canal now, and there is like a million bugs. I don't know if I can catch them. Not a chance. They're literally two. There you go. That's pretty much what we got in front of my face. So this was a bridge at one point, and it went all the way across the River Severn to the other side, which is Wales.
It's Wales?
Yeah. I imagine it must be quite cool living on one of those. I don't know how long it would stay cool for. I'm sure after you run out like internet and stuff like that, and it gets really cold, and it's like a million bugs out, which is why I'm kind of like. And yeah, other than that, it was all pretty cool. I feel like Mad Max wearing this. Maybe I don't look like Mad Max, but there's bugs everywhere. There's bugs in my face. Ah! It's gross.